We walk hand in hand, we dream together. We giggle and laugh like kids forever. We're two different people, but we're having fun. We talk about anything under the sun. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends will always, always be. We always have fun being together. You know me the best, we're friends forever. Through good times and bad, I'm here for you, sis. Right by your side, hit or miss. We are sisters, we are friends. Got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends, the best of friends. The best of friends will always, always be. We are sisters, we are sisters.
Last week, ako po ang unang featured artist sa Sis on Stage Today.
Good morning! Ang ganda ng umaga.
Good morning. Oo, pag ganyan naman ang maririnig mo sa umaga, hindi ba talaga ang ganda ng umaga?
Correct. Sina Sweet Plantado, Annie Quinto, Cecil Bautista, Ruben Laurente, Moy Ortiz.
Dahil hindi ninyo, ibibigay namin sa inyo. On stage, The Company. Sis, kasama natin sa on stage ang The Company. Sabi nyo, ilan sa mga naka-impluensya sa inyo? Nung nag-umpisa kayo was Manhattan Transfer, Bread, Swing Out Sisters. Pero pati ba naman Pizzicato 5? Oo. Talaga? So, bakit cute yung
Bakit Pizzicato 5?
Kasi may pagka-Burt Bacharach yung dating nila. 60s lounge music yung ano.
Pasample naman ng Hola, yung ganon. Gusto ko yun ang alam ko eh.
I'm smart about you. Ano yun? Happy sad, happy sad. No, plus the fact yung na-influence kami ng Pizzicato 5. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam po, yung Pizzicato 5 is a Japanese band.
Oo nga eh.
Ang galing nilang sa packaging.
Nagkaintindihan ba kayo?
Ang galing ng packaging nun.
Wala ba silang...
Wakarimasen.
Pwede pa sample naman ng Pizzicato 5 na song.
Nako.
We don't have any Pizzicato 5
Song like that.
It's
We
the
don't sing any
sound,
other
it's the
songs.
Just the sound and the
It's the
packaging.
sound and the packaging that na talagang na-impluensya kami nun.
Bueno po, ngayon maririnig natin ang kanilang iba't ibang style sa pagkanta. Here's their first hit, ang multi-awarded single na Everlasting Love at Pag Nagkataon.
Salamat.
Talagang complete with voicing, no? Gano'n nyo katagal pag-aralan ng isang kanta? I mean, lahat ba kayo sabay-sabay nag-aaral ng kanta?
Together, do you do it together or kanya-kanya
Usually, yung aming modus operandi, MO, ibibigay yung pyesa sa kanila before the rehearsal and then kanya-kanyang aral yan, kanya-kanyang basahan ng pyesa. So that pagdating ng rehearsal day, wala na yung eto yung part mo, ta-na-na-na, wala nang ganon. You're expected to more or less know your piece na, para walang wasting time. So to answer your question, if it's a pop song, an hour, siguro yung like this, for now that I have you, siguro 45 minutes to an hour. Pero kung medyo classical o medyo mahirap, we need a week.
Acapella, oo.
Kung acapella, nagkukuha naman natin ng isang oras kalahati.
Pero meron
Kasi
din pag-recordings, meron ding time sa pagdating
Instant.
namin, instant dun pa lang.
ayun, yun sa kung gumagawa kami, tama si Sweet, kung gumagawa ng plaka, when they set in front of the mic, bibigay yung pyesa, basahin mo.
Meron din kaming inaral na klasikal na buong summer namin inaral. Once a week namin kinakanta.
Kasi muna, yung pabilis. Mabilis.
Kasi mahirap yung classical.
Sobrang hirap. Oh.
So meron na kayong kanya-kanyang, ito for, sa kanyang melody, sa kanyang alto, sa kanyang ganon.
Assignments na.
Assignment.
So alam nyo na, yun na forever ang role nyo.
Forever.
Yes. Pero kung minsan, like now, si Andre po, kasi 6 po kami si Andre nasa Amerika, saluan. Saluan kami ng using his note there, tapos using his solo. That's the nice thing about being in a group.
Do you know which is which?
More or less.
More or less.
You know
Kasi
more.
malalaman mo kung...
Kasi nagbabasa kayo no? Importante
Babad na
talaga
rin
yung
sa
pagbasa
tenga
ng-
namin kung sino yung soprano line, alto line. So,
Malalaman mo rin kasi
Mga
tunog
supply.
bungi yung korde.
Naririnig din namin parang bungi nga. Bungi.
Minsan nga sabay-sabay kami pupunta sa note na yun
Oo,
na kulang. So nabungin na
to
naman.
save the chord, lahat kami pupunta doon dahil bungi, lalong bumungi dahil lahat kami doon pumunta.
Karangalan po na Pilipinas lang ang tanging Asian country na inanyayahan sa Explore a Cappella, isang World a Cappella Festival. Kung ganito naman kasi ang tunog, bakit naman hindi, di ba? On stage today, The Company.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat.
Mula sa unang album ng The Company noong 1991, kasama na nila sa trabaho ang magkapatid na songwriters Edith and Margot Gallardo.
Na kasama natin ngayon na dala ang inyong mga paboritong food.
Ano? Hoy, nandito kayo ba? Oh my gosh. Ito po, Janice.
Para ko ay malo sa pinamago.
Mga partner, ito po, just to explain, Janice and Jelly. Ito po, itong mga bribe namin kasi yung mga recording sessions po namin matagal, 5 hours isang kanta. Ito yung bribe niya, tsokolate, nachos.
Ito ako yan.
Chocolate.
But there is still an attempt to
Kape,
eat
para kay
healthy, so we have salad.
Ito sa akin.
Of course, coffee. You know that's si Ariel, no? Yung kape always when recording. So,
Tabasco.
The coffee is for sweet kasi coffee girl yan eh. And then the sticks, vegetable sticks, kay Ani. Oh, favorite
Then,
niya.
bakit
The
Tabasco?
chips for
Junk food for us.
Nakakatulong ba yan?
Ito Tabasco laging meron yan sa...
Maganda ba ng boses?
Bawal
Wherever
yun, bawal.
pumunta siya, meron yan. Tingnan yung bag,
Dapat lahat
meron.
meron. Pati sa baw may ganito.
Bakit pati bag mo meron yan?
May nagbigay sa akin noon halos mga pang-isa
Ako, nirigalo ko
Para
siya
just in
tabas.
case, pag pumunta ka sa isang lugar
Yes.
na walang
I want it
Tabasco, meron
spicy.
siya.
Everything spicy.
Oh my
I
God.
want to thank the two of you and everybody here and Direct. Thank you. I mean, we're here. The reason why we've lasted this long is a lot of hard work. Of course, the good Lord willed it. And of course, if you align yourself with excellence like these two sisters, there's no way we can lose. Margot and Edith have been churning out hits since the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. And now with the success of Isa, Company, and Pops, they're still at it. We're very blessed to have them in our lives.
Oo, tsaka kung wala kayo, wala kaming team song!
Kami po yung kumanta.
Salamat sa The Company.
Sa dalawang magkapatid.
Oy, bakit pa fun? Why is it fun to work with The Company for Edith and Margot?
Well, it's fun kasi hindi mo kang trabaho. By the way, Moy, the Doritos is for you. And the Chocnut and the Mallows.
Kahit pa English-English yan.
English.
Chocomalos.
Kahit siya,
Baon niya sa Europe.
aalis yan, papuntang Europe, ang baon. Eto.
Oo naman, ako.
Hindi kasi walang problema working with them. They're all professional talaga.
What gives you the inspiration for your songs? Because halos lahat ng kanta nyo, hits.
She said she likes her song.
Thank you very
all
much.
your songs.
Siguro kayong lahat. When I look at you, I can already think of a song. Yun, ganun siguro. Di ba, Moy?
Life itself, the lives of your friends, the life of your family, the lives of your loved ones, you draw your art from real life.
Siya nung Monday, Baby Rose nung Tuesday, Baby Ikibu nung Wednesday, at si Baby Seth yesterday. At ngayong Friday, isa sa kanila ang ating weekly winner ng Ang Cute Mo, Baby Ko. And she is our Monday baby, Trisha Keith Marie D.C. Ibarra of San Vicente, Tarlac. She was born on December 20, 2000. At dahil ang cute mo baby ni na Daddy Jose and Mommy Melanie, you just won 2,000 pesos cash. You can claim your prize every Monday at the SIS office, 8th floor GMA Network Center, EDSA Corner, Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. Look for Louie Cadang. Rebook, ang latest album ng The Company, kasama ang mga paborito nating Baka Ikaw at Pag Nagkataon, o mga sis, get your original cassette or CD of Storybook by The Company. Sure ko, ilan sa mga awiting narinig natin ngayon mula sa The Company ang nagpapaalala sa atin ng isang bahagi ng ating buhay. Happy man tulad ng Now That I Have You o kaya medyo heartbreaking kagaya ng Muntik na Kitang Minahal. Parang mga theme song na nga ng buhay natin ang mga kanta ng The Company.
Thank you, Edith and Margot. Thank you, Moy. Cecil, Annie, Sweet, and Ruben. Thank you.
And Andre, kahit wala siya dito.
Oo, kahit nasa ka man, Andre. The company!
Thank you, sis. We love you. Salamat.
More down!
Thank you, Direk.